Hey everyone, let's do a Friday wrap up real quick. Worked on Stevo's Caddy a little bit this week. You can see we've got some AccuAir lines running underneath it. Get all the sensors hooked up. Drive lines out of it, getting redone to fit the rear end. That should be back next week. We did quite a bit on the 8 truck. My buddy Brian stopped by from Geisers, gave us some pointers on what we need to do to make the cage legal again. We've got fenders mounted on it now. That's good. Radiators in it. Water pumps in it. Everything's pretty much back together on the front except for radiator hoses. We'll do a quick flush on that. Yeah, we got most of all of our orders done. Been short-staffed all week again, typical. My buddy Dino stopped by, drop off some flyers for Dino's Get Down. Hopefully everyone's going to that. We'll see you guys out there. That's coming up right here. Hope everybody had a great week. We're gonna probably do some more projects at the house. I also got a new trailer for the race truck that we'll be building out. We'll, follow along when we do that. You guys want to hear about anything else, put in the comments below. We'll catch up with you on Monday.